I-Shift with ultra-low crawlers is our flagship transmission for heavy haulage. It's a normal I-Shift with an extra set of crawler gears. It means that the torque is multiplied 32 times. One truck can do the job of 2.5 trucks.
Hi, I'm Ian Robertson. I've been in the heavy haulage game for about 25 or 26 years. It's what I do. Over the years I've driven many heavy trucks and I've been given the opportunity to drive the new Volvo here. It's been a very nice truck, comfortable. It's certainly got the goods. It's got all the power and everything that you need to do the job.
The FH16 is our long-haul truck with 700 horsepower and ultra-low crawler gears. This is the perfect truck for heavy haulage applications, up to 325 ton of pull force with one single vehicle.
When we lift off, applying the throttle gently, you can feel the torque coming in and it just lifts off and wants to go.
Ultra-low crawler gears gives you excellent startability, removing stress from the complete powertrain, starting with the clutch, going through the prop shaft and rear axles.
I find the I-Shift really smooth. You can keep revving to as high as you want. It's just so smooth when you change, and the torque that's there, it's quite phenomenal. Have not had any issues with braking traction, and that's on a wet night when we're coming onto the bridge. No loss of traction in the mud, no braking traction.
The Volvo dynamic steering system helps the driver maneuvering the vehicle at low speeds, relieving stress and increasing safety and productivity. At higher speeds, the Volvo dynamic steering helps the driver keeping the vehicle in a straight line.
Visibility is great. So much machinery and equipment around you, you just got to be able to see everywhere. It's got a great sun visor with the electric button, love it. Reversing up with the 300 tonne has been no effort at all. The crawler gear in reverse has just pushed it right back, no effort at all. Yes, you'll have a hard time getting me out of it.